Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sabha Fashion Wardrobe and welcome back to another brand new video. How are you? Hope so you all are doing well. In today's video, I am sharing with you most stylish baby shower dress designing collection. Hope so guys you like all the maternity dress design for baby shower and get different unique dress designing and photography poses ideas for baby shower. All the outfits are stunning and fabric are super comfortable. You can easily design by yourself and also buy from market. In this video, sheer dresses are in chiffon, georgette, net and silk fabric and easily stitched by yourself and your tailor. Loose long frocks, maxis, gowns are mostly wear on baby shower event. Before going forward, if you not still like my video, hit like, share with friends and family, and if you visiting my channel for the first time, then subscribe my channel and click bell icon to get latest videos notification. You can also visit my channel for latest fashion trend related videos. Watch the video till end. Thanks. God bless you. Bye bye.